Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change image resolution in Webtoon. If you're experiencing slow loading or want to save data while reading Webtoons, you can change the image resolution in the Webtoon app. First of all, launch open Webtoon application on your device and log in. From the home page of Webtoon, go ahead and tap on My at the bottom right corner. Once you're inside your My Series tab, go to the top right section and tap the three dots. Once you're inside the More menu, tap on Settings. Once you're inside the Settings tab, look for Image Resolution option at the bottom, tap on that, and then click on the resolution options provided on the screen. You can select between high to low resolution. After making a selection, you'll then be able to change the image resolution. Now go ahead and open up any series to see if that worked. Now your resolution has definitely improved. So that is how you can easily change your image resolution in Webtoon. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.